Okay, so I am ready to see Barbie. I actually went home after work. I changed because of my outfit. I looked more I had more Ken vibe than Barbie vibe, which was kind of weird. I think it was because of my raincoat, and it was raining today in Paris, so I had to change. In 10 minutes I will go to see my friends, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. On nous voit? Non. Si là, là on nous voit un petit peu. So this is me a few weeks later. I loved my outfit and I was talking on the phone with my mom. I showed her the shoeket that I just bought, and she used to buy me this after school when I was a kid, and it brings back memories. And I'm working on this new crochet bag that you're going to see very, very soon.
Feel good? I'm feeling better. You back?
Entire time. Okay, she knew we would be so paranoid that we. As I always say, take your things and go.
The lyric is take away your things and go.
Take your things away and go.
Take away your things and go.
Okay. I thought we'd wrapped up the time.
It's roadside.
What are we doing? Stopping for coffee?
Careful time now, okay?
So, which one of us?
Get to Sam's birthday party is the goal to impress his friends with how much you know about him.
So, I'm wearing it around my neck. I even wear one of that spray tan. Ooh, I think I know what that. This could be a stranger, but I don't know how. I'm going to change this now. Spend a lifetime.
They have limited resources. They'll need all the help they can get if they're going to solve this.
we conducted the actual interview with the press my suit.
I'll press. Or I can press it. Can you though? Woo!
Doing all three to perfection. By the way, it weaves in accordance to how close you're. So, milling about in the prison. We were kind of hearing bumps and stuff all night. But it was cool. That's it for evidence. Moving on to our next section. Behind the screen. Oh, we haven't seen something. In the screen. This is a segment on the show where we will be taking a little behind the scenes look. A peek behind. You know, the thing is.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you a little compilation of the pillowcases that I've sewn so far. I'm just gonna show you like what you just saw. The process was the same for everything I'm gonna show you. So this is the result. It is so nice and I cannot wait to use this. And I'm gonna show you the first pillowcase I've did this summer. I actually bought this one from the fabric store. I really like the design. I like the colors as well. But since I didn't have enough to do a second one, I have a lot of scrap of fabrics from previous projects and I used some of them to do some patchwork. So you can see like the same fabric, and then I did a purple, like light pink. I did some kind of gray tone, beige, and it took me a long time to do this because I didn't have any pattern, so it was just freestyle, so it took me longer than I thought, but I like it. So I used for this last project this one. I did this from a shirt that I've made for friends, and I've got so much left that I got to do 2 pillowcases, and I really like the design, so I went to the fabric store and bought for like 3 meters. I was thinking about to do maybe some bed sheets. I think I did buy more than 3 meters, but I have enough to do a 2 people bed sheets. But the thing is, I've never done a project with so much fabric, and I don't think I have enough space to do it, so we'll see about that later. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I just showed you a little glimpse of Parisian not very sunny summer. um, so that's why I stay at home, and I'm glad because I did some projects that I've been wanting to do for a long time now, and I will see you soon on my last summer video series, and bisou bisou.